Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, where are we today, Holly? Because I don't actually know.
We've just parked up at Aviemore, kind of forest park, and we're going towards, don't ask me to pronounce it, it's called the Green Loch. It's like Lochan Uaine?
Cool.
It means green in Gaelic.
Cool, there you go guys. We will be putting that up on the screen right now so you can see that. Anyway, this is a little bit of a, hopefully a light hike for us. And
it says it's a half an hour walk and it's a pretty flat, like...
Yeah, it's a pretty flat walk, half an hour, going through the forest, quite peaceful for you guys. There'll be a lot of scenery, a lot of nice, peaceful video. Take your time out, take your brain out, and just watch this today. We'll be giving you some amazing drone shots of the area if possible. At the moment, the wind seems good. Yep. I can't imagine we're near any. A lot
of trees though.
A lot of trees, but we'll see. If not, there'll be a lot of scenic views anyway. Okay, enjoy.
Uaine. And Lochan Uaine. It's a language that I even butcher.
It's nice and easy mapped out. As you can see, it's quite snowy today. Slushy and underneath our feet. 7 degrees out today. You wouldn't think it.
Doesn't feel that cold though.
No, it's quite nice. You see, there's people got a little dog. If that little dog can make it, we can make it.
We said this at Bruce's Stone and we got back in the car and drove. So. Oh, look how happy it is.
I know. That's amazing. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, then you'll enjoy other videos of us around Scotland. This one was a bit of more of a scenic video. Well, normally we have a little bit more of a story and tell you a little bit more about the place, but as you can tell, this place is just beautiful. And you right there? As you can tell, this place is just beautiful, and I just wanted to show it off. So there you go guys. I'll see you again soon.